Do you have a lot of unknown contacts in your WhatsApp? Is it a pain to save these unknown contacts? We have got just the perfect solution for you then. In this video, I will show you how to save unknown numbers from WhatsApp web. Here you can see I have multiple chats from unknown numbers. Let's say I want to save this number to my phone book. If you have InTouch app extension installed, you would be able to see this red icon which would help you to save this new contact. When you click on the button, it would ask if you want to save the number as a new contact or to an existing one. I want to save it to a new contact. Fill in the details you want to save about the number and then click on save. The contact automatically gets added to your phone. From there, WhatsApp picks it up and you will see the contact name changed. It can take a few seconds to get updated depending on the internet speed. With InTouch app, it becomes really very easy to save unknown contacts from WhatsApp web.